Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub Actions. Today we are going to learn about defining the environment variables for a single workflow. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So defining the environment variables for the single workflow in the GitHub Actions. When working with the GitHub Actions workflows, you might to need specify the variables that are relevant to the particular workflow. Thankfully, GitHub Actions allows you to define the custom variables within your workflow file using the env key. So here you can see that this is a simple workflow, that is the env, right? So where env, this is the value of the entire workflow. So this is the environment variable which I set. Okay, and how to use it? So with the help of the my var variable, right? So I can equate this one, and this is deploy on the run. So we just only do the job part, not the deploy part. Okay, so here you can see in this example, my var is set to this value entire workflow and accessible in both the build and the deploy jobs because it's globally defined over here. Okay, so it's not specific to that flow, right? So using env within a job, you can also use the env within a job if you want to define. Okay, so it will be accessible over here only. Okay, so jobs, here you can see, so jobs builds. So here we have defined in the build run here, and there is a deploy. So these are the jobs, right? In the jobs we can accessible to anywhere. So this is build where can be accessible in the this part also. Okay, so L- next one, that is using the env within a step. So which is list frequent. So in the step part, you can also define the environment variables for a single step within a job. However, this is usually not recommended and it limits the reusability. And what else we have additional considerations, that is you can assess these environments variables within your workflow steps using the appropriate syntax for a shell environment, myvar for the bash and the linux. Remember, the scope of the variable depends on where you define it. Important, that is, the scope of the variable depends on where you define it within the workflow file. By effectively utilizing the environment variables in your GitHub action workflow, you can enhance the flexibility and managing dynamic configurations with a single workflow. Let's create it. Okay, so let's go and just check. Let's open our workflow. So here we have the workflow. Yeah, let's open this manual workflow main, what we have written over here. So this is simple one. So here we are going to just define a workflow environment variable. After the name, we'll define edit env, that should be there. And how to use it in the steps name run, right? We will use this one. This part we will directly copy paste this. Okay, so how to assess this? So let's paste it. Okay, let's try to commit the changes, update it. Okay, let's go to the workflows actions. Let's try to, there is an issue currently, what it is. What you are saying, this workflow graph cannot be shown. The graph will be generated the next time the flow workflow is run. Workflow file usage. So I think something we have done wrong in the file. We have to check this. So let's go to check this one. So might be because it's something, maybe the indentation part is like this. Okay, so let me check this. We have to do with the edit. Let me copy on this one. Edit this file, and let's open, let's make it simple one. Name, this is within the jobs part, right? So give me a second, let me check this one. I think there is an indentation part. Hello friends, now we can see that. Okay, so here we have defined the greetings on the this is our workflow, and env we have defined day of the week. Let's try to comment the changes updated via mail. Let's go and check the actions. So here you can see that the greetings on the variable day it's run in the 9 seconds, right? Here you can see. Okay, manual job. So here you can print the message. So this workflow is triggered manually, completing job. So we have echo the every step. Okay, so let's go and check the workflow file. This is not our workflow file. Mhm. Let's go and check. This workflow has a workflow dispatch event. Run. So here it's running. You can see it's run. Okay, let's check. Here you can see that. Okay, so here you can see hello Mona, today is Monday. So we have echo this variable, right? Okay, let's go and check the workflow file. So this is the updated file, right? So currently it's not showing, I think cache problem. So here you can see that is the workflow name, then workflow on dispatch. So here I have created the env day of the week, that is Monday. And in the jobs also we have created the env file greeting hello, right? And in the steps, okay, here you can see that we have defined the first name. Okay, so what we are trying to do over here, how to get this env day of the week with help of this dollar day of the week. And how I get this env greeting, so dollar greeting, and here you can dollar with first name, this one. Okay, so this is how we are using the environment variables in our workflow, and how to use it with the dollar, right? So this is how you can use that one, defining the environment variables for a single flow. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.